G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today is Monday, November the 16th, and Melbourne had severe storms and heavy winds last night. Although you probably couldn't call it a storm because it was just wind. Woke up this morning, did a Google search, and it said almost 93, I think it was 93, I was going to say 900 there, 93 kilometers per hour wind, so just under 100 kilometers per hour at the airport, and thousands of homes across Melbourne are without power because power lines have gone down because trees have fallen over the power lines, and we haven't escaped either. I'll show you what's happened in our backyard. That is our, as you can see, our peach tree. And there you go, that's half of our peach tree has broken. It's basically snapped, as you can see there. And there you go, and these are all peaches. Well, they weren't going to, they're not going to ripen now, unfortunately. But as you can see, and we've got a few tomatoes underneath the tree. A couple have survived. The one on that corner there probably hasn't survived, but you can see it's totally broken. There you go, it's just clean snap, so pretty much almost half of the tree's just broken off. And there we go, this is our hothouse, and you can see it's just, this usually is closed, and basically we've got those containers basically sitting on top of each other there with this mesh screen door basically upright. This is inside, so we've got a few tomato plants in there. We've got our peppers, we haven't planted them yet. Tomatoes, I think Mum's got basil there, and we've got cucumbers there. So nothing's been damaged inside the hothouse or the greenhouse, but you can see it's the bricks have been pulled away. So it's actually moved. So during the night the winds just moved everything out of the way. No other damage for us, just basically this peach tree, which unfortunately had a whole stack of peaches. There you go. So they're not going to ripen. It's probably just under the size of a golf ball at the moment, so a few more weeks they would have been maybe another month would have been ready for picking, but unfortunately I'm going to have to get the saw out and chop this part of the tree down. Hopefully the rest of the tree will keep going. But yeah, we copped a bit of damage. And as far as I know, that's all that's happened. I haven't been in the front yard yet, but we'll take a look later. And anyway, I hope everyone's safe. Steve wants to play with the ball, as you can see. Let me grab the ball and we'll chuck it. There you go, Steve. There you go. So I've got a bit of work to do in the garden, and like I said, I hope everyone's safe. Look after yourselves and take care. Bye bye.